She has lost her mind because of domestic violence, guys. Because of domestic violence. So, I want to tell you guys.
क्या स्टेटमेंट गद्दी पे चाहे मैं रहूं चाहे मेरा पोता नियम तो सेम ही रहेगा
Finally, I have done it, and I did it. Yes.
I'm proud of you, my son, proud of you.
But guys, you can see the face of these two guys after getting the birth of baby girl. How sad they are.
Hey, oh my God, what did you do, bro? What did? Shame on you, shame on.
Government should align something, address this drastically issue on road accidents. My humble request and prayer today, the government, wherever you are, take a keynote on people's health.
You are showing your enthusiasm. I really appreciate you. This shows the real enthusiasms and passion, guys. It's not about fast. Your fast manner of being fast is really showing uniqueness. Hey bhaiya bahini, could you please stop now? You can show your tal patram after some time. Listen to me, guys. 5 groups we have. Everyone will be sitting where they are. It is just kind of a house, guys. If I allow the first batch 7 to 9, they will be performing here only. We the people will come here and see. They will be welcoming all of us at their house. We will be coming here and we will be seeing how they are doing and how they are performing. Likewise, every activity will go on, everybody will have to go. And please, I will be noticing that how cooperative you are. So please maintain the discipline as well. Will you do that? Yes. All right, smile because you are going to get a lot of trophies today. All right. So, which team is more excited?
Yes, sir.
Okay, clap. Let me see which group is more excited. Oh my God, oh my God. So you, can we start now? Yes. 100%? Yes. All right. So, at whose house should we go first? At whose house should we go first? Master should tell.
We should start from here, like first batch.
Why? I mean, excuse me? Do you have any kind of... come here. I think Master has some problems with this batch.
No. I don't have any problem, but you know, this batch is first batch, so we should start from here. And they are more excited actually. That's why I just asked.
Nice. Excuse me. They are fast or fast?
They must be first.
They must be fast, but they are fast as well.
Yeah. There are many people. They are fast as well.
No, I'm not talking about that fast.
No,
I'm talking about that fast.
Having the fast, like Rosa, yeah.
So should we start from fast?
Sure.
Ladies and gentlemen, come on. So let us start from the first team of Muskan. Everybody has to get up and come at the home of Muskan.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Thank you, Cap Sir, to giving us first chance to express our thoughts about our topic. Today, we are here not only to tell you about a topic, but it's a big concern of our society. It's a big concern of a one gender, as how they are demolished the one gender. Today, we are here to tell you about the gender inequality in our society. As we can see in the chart there was a boy and a girl, how they are facing the discrimination in the society, how they are facing the discrimination in the society. There are lots of things for boys, but not for the girls. They are facing the lots of problems in the society. And our team member is going to tell you how they are facing the problem at the time of birth. Vikas, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, you know, today I'm very happy. You know why? Because today I got a boy, son. Because today a boy born in my home. So today I'm very
what happened?
Yes, I am very happy because I have done it. I did it.
What did it?
I got some finally.
Oh my God, I feel so happy.
Papa.
What happened, bro? What happened?
What will make our son? I think cricketer.
Yes, whatever you
No,
want.
no.
Whatever you want.
I think IAS officer.
No, whatever you want, just you made him. But before that, today we will
Yes.
conduct the party at the night because
Yes,
because today, do you know?
Organize a big party.
Do you know? Because today we found our offspring increaser. Oh my God! Today, do you know, beta? Do you know? I feel so happy. I feel a statement. गद्दी पे चाहे मैं रहूं चाहे मेरा पोता, नियम तो सेम ही रहेगा.
Finally, I have done it and I did it. Yes.
I'm proud of you, my son. Proud of you.
But guys, you can see the face of these two guys after getting the birth of baby girl. How sad they are.
Hey, oh my God! What did you do, bro? What did? Shame on you! Shame on you!
Today I'm very sad, because I got a girl child. What will she do? Nothing. I think everyone criticize him because in this society no one can value a girl. You know why? What will she do? Nothing. I think today I'm very sad, Papa.
You did wrong. You did wrong. Why did you?
It's not my mistake, Papa.
No, it's your mistake. It's a big concern.
What can I do? Because
Do you know?
It's, not
Do you
my
know?
fault, it's my wife. fault.
No, it's not. Maybe, but do you know? I feel so angry on you because you give up daughter. And do you know? After listening this statement, after listening this news, I feel so angry. Do you know why? Because we will have to manage their dowry. That's why I feel so angry.
I'm very worried about my daughter. What she will do? I think nothing.
No, it's
No.
no. It's your
this
fault.
is
It's your
not
fault.
good.
It's your fault.
And guys, you see that how happy they are at the time of baby boy, but how sad they are at the time of girl. So this is a discrimination which we see in the society, but not at the time of birth. We see a discrimination at the time of nourishment, at the time of feeding our baby. And our team member is showing you that how they discriminate in the girl and the boy.
I am grandmother. Oh boy. He is my Chirag. He is my Chirag. He is my Kul. He is Kul. He is the base of my generation. सूरज चंदा है तू, मेरा सूरज है तू, तू मेरे आँखों का तारा है तू.
When comes
Yes,
mother
boy.
role.
Take it. Okay.
Mummy, I also want to eat this sweet.
Eat? No, only for him. Only go to kitchen.
No,
And a lot of work waiting for you.
Taste it. It looks so delicious.
No, it is only for him. It is only for your brother, not
Mummy,
for you.
I just want to taste it. It looks so delicious. Just give me a little bit.
It is not for you, only for your brother. Go.
Why
I
not
said
for
go.
me?
I said go. Go, not for you.
It's only for me.
Yes, he is a boy and you are a girl. This is not for you. This is for him. Because he is Chirag. He is my Chirag.
And guys, as you have seen that how they discriminate in the society on the basis of their nourishment, on the basis of birth, but not on the list in here. They discriminate when they got an education. They not got a well education, and our team member is going to tell you how they are discriminate on the basis of education.
Do you know about domestic violence? It is too much dangerous in your life. Not only my life, it is too much dangerous in your life and every life, guys. And you know how domestic violence can affect your life. You know, guys. And what do you think about domestic violence? Domestic violence is a good thing? Is a good thing, guys? It is not good thing, and it is not only thing, guys. It is a part of your life. It is a very too much. It is a very too much have in your life, guys. It is very too much. And you know, guys, what do you think about physical violence and what you think about sexual abuses and what you think about psychological abuses. And you know, guys, physical violence is a good thing. Physical violence like slapping is a good thing, pushing is a good thing, hitting is a good thing. No, it is a not good thing. It is a very harmful in your life, guys.
And guys, as you have seen, there's the discrimination on the basis of study, the discrimination on the basis of education, the discrimination on the basis of nourishment, the discrimination on the basis of birth. But the list not in here itself. Because the main thing is the girl was discriminated, then they turn and the mother-in-law turn on him after the marriage, and before the marriage his family member turn on him. And our team member is going to tell you how they get a discrimination and how they feel bad at the time of marriage.
I want to fly. I want to go everywhere. I built my own house. Oh my God, I built everything by my own. Oh God, I'm forget it. Oh God, I'm forget. I'm a girl. How can I do that? My parents didn't allow to do that. My brother do that, but I can't do that. I can't do anything. Why? Because I'm a girl. I have ability like him, but they don't allow me. They think I'm a burden on my parents. Why? I have 2 legs like my brother. I have a heart. I have a mind. I have feelings to do everything what they do. Like a son, I have a capability. But why my parents think I'm a girl? Is this my problem? I'm born a girl? Even I'm never ever express my feelings front of my parents because they don't allow anything. Even they are making a partiality to eating food. Because if I'm a girl, I want to die one day.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. She is my sister. And the condition of domestic violence. And she has lost her mind because of domestic violence, guys. Because of domestic violence. I want to tell you one thing for you all, guys. You are educated. You are a sincere person. So please, you can save your life. This is mine. This is not my sister. This is your sister. As मेरी sister है तो तुम्हारी बहन होगी. So please, change in behavior and speak up for yourself, guys. Please, you can save your life, guys. You can save your life.
And guys, as you have seen there, how they are discriminating the girls and a boy in the society. We all are educated person. We all are the youth of this country, and we have to change this mentality of our society. At the nara of a government, Indian government, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. We have to follow that nara, and we have to manage, and we have to make a girl that the powerful girl of the country in the world. Thank you. And so guys, this is all about the inequality in the society. This is a form of our side. Thank you.
Now, let us see the next team, how they perform, right? Come on, guys. And I'm very happy with one thing. Everybody is very cooperative, right? Everybody was appreciating. So we all need to appreciate them as well. Ladies and gentlemen, let us go at the home of Mr. Ashok. Please, everybody.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to my house. I'm truly delighted you guys are here to understand what we are going to present. Welcome to Lucknow. We are here on the Kapurthala Chauraha, and you can see we are facing the problem of the traffic here. We are facing this problem due to these politicians. We are facing this problem due to the negligence of the police. We are facing this problem due to lack of awareness within police, within government, within everyone. That is why they are taking advantage. They have their separate roads and they are going by this way. We are struck here, 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 and here. And nobody is talking about it. Are you able to talk about it in front of government, in front of people?
Yes. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for this gracious opportunity today. I'm really so touched. Do you know the pain of losing a relative, a family member, a mother, a father because of road accident? My heart is so much touched and pained. You see, people, they are busy celebrating Diwali Holy Festival, crowding the roads. The police is busy standing just watching. An ambulance, someone who is your relative, who is your father, is stuck here in an ambulance. And you know what happens when you lose? Do you know the pain which can traumatize you because of negligence of other people? Just like the police, they are too negligent. Instead of taking action to chase this holy people celebrating festival, which is nothing but tormenting our lives. I am a victim of circumstances. It's because of these road accidents that we are losing vibrant people. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Here comes awareness. Put awareness inside your mind. My humble request is for the government of Uttar Pradesh. The government should align something, address this drastical issue on road accidents. My humble request and prayer today, the government, wherever you are, take a keynote on people's health. I request the government of Uttar Pradesh to at least address this issue and provide facilities where people can celebrate their Diwali festival, the Holy Festival. In this, road accident issues will reduce at least. We are human beings. We cannot allow and continue burying a young talent just because of road accident. Never! The members, the youth, the advocates, we are the advocates of today on road accidents. If we don't take this into our hands, let's utilize this opportunity to make the government aware that we are tired of losing innocent souls. Day and night, my heart is hardened. Day and night, people are perishing in road accidents. Do you know the number of people we are losing? The qualified doctors, the qualified nurses who would save our future of India. Government, please listen to our cry and work on this issue. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
All right, very nice. All right, beautiful. Please have a seat, everybody.